Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So guys, first you have to come this website. You can see this is officially website of Gigabyte www.gigabyte.com, and after that you can see this side right hand side third number, this is search button. So just click it and then enter your model number of your motherboard Z790D and then hit enter. Then you can see click on the product and this is your motherboard. Then click on the support. So select operating system, Windows 10, 11, both installation process same. SATA. So this is sorry VGA driver. So this is size. You can see. Just click to download. After you click and it will start downloading. So it is completed. Just single click to open, and then double click to exe. Then click on yes. After that you can see this is start installing. First extract and after that install. Now this is installing the graphic card driver. So this is automatically closed, means this is installed. So this is closed, means this is installed.